Would you like to build a snowman? If so, then I have the course for you. From our very first model to our final render, we will be applying several non-destructive techniques to provide you the ability to create several iterations of your snowman with ease. Some modeling knowledge is required for this course, however most of the design will be taken care of by using modifiers, such as the displace, skin, and remesh modifiers, as well as several more. We are going to learn how we can offload most of the actual work onto these modifiers, which will free us up to be more involved in rapid art directing. We will also be looking at an easy way to develop fabrics using the cloth filter sculpting tool, which greatly speeds up the cloth workflow. After all of our models are to our satisfaction, we will begin working with entirely procedural materials for each part of our snowman to provide complete flexibility in case we need to make any tweaks or changes. At the close of this course, we will be looking at how we can set up an Eevee render to showcase all of our hard work over the 11 videos in this series. I can't wait to build a snowman together, so make sure to put on your boots and your coat, and I will see you out there.